So when we're ready to use the wire and we know how to properly use the wire and we have adult supervision to do that, we're ready to go ahead. And I think that 6 wires would probably be the best for our whiskers, and we'll put 3 on each side. I've got 4 already cut, so I'm going to cut a couple more. It doesn't really matter the length because we can always push them in or cut them off as we put them in to give them either different lengths or the same length. And what we're going to do is we're going to very carefully, because we're working with a skinny nose here, we want to make sure that we don't go through all the way to the other side. We want to go in a little bit at an angle, and those seem to be a little bit long, so I'm going to trim those down. And we can see that he's got a bigger hole there than we want. So I'm going to take like the back of my nail, my fingertip, and I'm just going to make sure that that wire's in there securely. We're going to apply the others. And we might even be able to use the end of this one here. And I'm going to break this one down before I put it in, since we know that we want them to be shorter. And we've almost got all of our, and I think they look good at different lengths. It looks a little bit more natural.